Hey, All India Radio, Aizolani. Chanchin Thar, Achair to Larem Sangralte. Chief Minister Puzoram Thangahovin, Mizoram State Healthcare Society Governing Body Meeting, Voisomni Parukna, Voinkan Aizola Nayani. Sorkar Thil Put Shang Nayanuar National Health Mission, Noi Toktu Tetsuan Annur Antitopri. In Kalpung Siam Chinatur B, Loksaba, Pasani. Omicron dar zera wangin kowe ram sang sanga khokhin na dan khau taka kalpui tan me kani India chon COVID-19 vaccine dose Bible cha somnga pek tlin tumin chaktakin mala a heti la hian COVID shikthar chaktaka len le to wangin shidana dose bekim la laute la thuai turin kan ngen chewa shidana la laute po la tura som turin kan ngen chewani shileng laka inven na man ruwa mai tua midang nai lo le kutsil fai te lo ngai pui mo ze lang cheu COVID-19 kai noya sia do nei chuan rampum huwa helpline number bial pakhat pani pathum pakwa pasari pariat bial pali parukle pakhat bial pasari panga ba ka Mizoram tan pakhat bial pani te hi biak po thei reng ani e tuna chuan chanchin thar longai thlak chhun zamang u Chief Minister Puzoram Thangahovin Mizoram State Healthcare Society MSHCS Governing Body Meeting Voisomni Parukna chu Voinkhan Aizola Nayania Meeting a hian kumsang ni somni pani ni thum chunga policy chu March thati tharangai don wangin athara hian sarkar lai pi rom manangin National Food Security Act 2013 data be chanin mingzialo ni sentia enrollment fee tan AAY card eng nei tan cheng sani PHH card pol nei tan cheng sang khatle adang zong card war tan cheng sang ni ro manani hepa ka hian ABPMJY kalpuina tan a thopui Paramount Health Services and Insurance TPA Private Limited chu antho ho na term azo don to awangin le antho thata wangin roi chon zom ni se antia enrollment tam zo nei theinan malak ni se antibok meeting a hian co chairman pani Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Althang Lianale Health and Family Welfare Development Board Vice Chairman Dr. Zadar Thiam Sanga Vice Chairman Chief Secretary Dr. Renu Sharma Member Secretary Health Secretary Pu Alram Kale Member Dang Te Telani State Election Commission SEC Roman Akarkal Taningania Aizol Municipal Corporation le Autonomous District Council Local Council le Village Council in Clanton results of Inkan SEC na Tetsuaka AMC Huam Chung Lai Puitlanga MNF candidate Tlantinania Zemaboka ZPM candidate Armed Venga Congress candidate Tuithianga ZPM candidate Republica MNF candidate le Veng Nuaya MNF candidate Tlantinani Lai Autonomous District Council Village Council Palia MNF candidate Pani INC le BJP candidate Pakhat VV and Tlinga Mara Autonomous District Council Vice Member seat Som Palia BJP in seat Sari Anla MNF in seat nga Anla Congress in seat ni Anlani Chakma Autonomous District Council seat Somni Pali Ruaka MNF in seat Som Pakwan La BJP in seat Thum La in independent candidate Pani Tlantlin Anibok Voinkhan Zoram Energy Development Agency Zeda Hautu Ten Raj Babana Governor Hari Babu Kambam Pati and Mua Hehuna Hian Raj Baban Tana Nizung Chakna Manga Electric Current Pek Chwana 70 kW SPV Power Plant Bun Thar Chungchang Le Mizoram Hun Shang Shanga Mipuiten Nizung Chakna Manga Eng Le Current Siam Chwa Tangkai Je and Shia Chian Zo Dan Tu Te Soi Hawani Zeda Hautu Te Mala Na Chu Thati Tu Governor Chuan Asoya Mizoram Mipuitam Zo Kin Nizung Chakna man tangkai ero anatum chia lonia lana wangin zeda le PNE department ten mipui zirtirna thiam taka warzoka an kalpui angayani ati Sarkar thil phut sang Nayanuar National Health Mission NHM noi thoktu te chuan annor anteto priya NHM Employees Union to chuak taran danin sarkar lakalung oilona anlan tirna until phut sang da nge ahuna hlo lak medical reimbursement transfer TA baka health department nalak tura NHM noi thok mek te tana ham thana ngai to chungchang te chu health minister Dr. Althang Lianan ngai to atiam baka health secretary Pu Alram ka po in thei top chua puyatiama health minister le health secretary tangen na le intiam na chu arin tlak tura an ngai wangin nor ante to pani an nor chungin dam lo tam takin har sana anto chu poyanti thuan soya hengawang hian ngun takan ngai to nu in NHM Employees Union Mizoram in tiam chin omlawan nor an hoi hot chu tokin dar sari khan ante to pri ti an soi nor anti to pawang hian an lung oi ta vek ti na ani lo thule sarkar ho tu te chu anin tiam anga malak na hmu tur omlawani a an chungchang thui cabinet meeting angai to thoi ni lo chuan har sana lian zok a thleng palani po in sarkar chauchua an ngai ti an thu chua chuan an tar lang bok Aizawl DC office kang ten fine hatlang wa inkhan office athok tenan beya DC office athok pension to te baka tuikwa local council ten an puyani puan to angin DC office karkal tan zerton ni zingkar khan kangin akang chane le a DC office 10 Aizawl press club le MHAP office te po tok ver 10 khat kang chia in achunga bungrwa te po achanwala INPR office current line te po akang chia ni DC office commins hu mi puitan dor thei ani don lo thu puan zar lo ni to a DC Dr. Lalshia Zuleral te chu SP Aizawl office a thot na ruam man sak lai lo kani a heti lai hian minikowa multi level car parking to DC office atan cheibol photani ang tun din huna DC office mi puitan dor thei hun tur ala soi thei ri lowani Lirnging chungchang zirchian atana khol poimo seismic broadband station to Lunglei District Emergency Operations Center a Wing Khan Lunglei DC District Disaster Management Authority Chairman Nibok Pukulo Thungan An Ahong Mizoram Sarkar Pachunga University College le CSIR NEIST Jorhat Tang Ho Malak na in Mizorama Mun Pathum Aizawl khobung le Lungleya te he tiang kholi bun tura rom manani Mizoram mun thuma seismic broadband station da manghian lirnging data chinchia thin aninga data zongzong hi PUC Aizawl Seismology Center a wongtha in CSIR NEIST le Department of Geology PUC a chiangzo ka zirchia nani ang heng zirchia na athil mu chwa poimo ta chu sarkar a kai noi department ten malak zel na atana anmang tangkai theidona kumsom ni kalta tangkhan Mizoram le a chevela lirnging na zong 4.0 le a ayasang ngumazat athleng to ani chanchin thar hi All India Radio Aizawl atanga puanani in Khandan Kalphung Siam Thana Tur Bill Election Laws Amendment Bill 2021 chu in Khan Lok Sabha pasani a if the member te aubing chengkara bill hi law minister Kiren Rijiju an house apulu tani Rijiju chuan in Khan Kalphung Siam Thana Tur Bill chu diklo taka vote thlak tele in Khanna Booth ne chuna thleng thin ti bona tur dan khau tak ani don ti soin Representation of the People Act 1950 le 1951 mangin other le electoral roll thonzom ani yang atibok heti la hian if the member te chuan in Khan Kalphung Siam That Thum dan chu mimal zale na pal zu tum na le ramdan puin noya fundamental rights kal ni in an soyani Khobod na takin ram chung marlam alam medzui doni in Indian Meteorological Department IMD chuan asoya marthlang lambiala darkar khata KM so matanga som panga chakli naktuk thlenga alatle theiti po soin hei hian khobod atena zualang anti Punjab Haryana Chandigarh Rajasthan le Madhya Pradesh mun engamaza ta khovotin naktu ka changin zualma pan theiti IMD chuan asoya tiau chum cha tak azin bok rinani don thlaseka Rajasthan avo na ber churua chuan avo lai berin Celsius degree minus pani point pali ani a alum lai ber po in minus degree ni ani a Srinagar po minus degree parukle pako inkar ani deu rengani United Kingdom Omicron ve an pung chawzela darkar somni pali kalta chung khan Omicron shikai singkhat sang ne za somthum pathum omin hengnen hian covid strik thar kai me ki singthum sang sari za pakhat antling to ani Britain drama darkar somni pali kalta chung khan shikai thar singriat sang ne zariat somriat paruk omin covid kai noya thi somli panga anombok US infectious disease expert Dr. Anthony Fauci chuan Christmas sol manga zinvei va in COVID-19 strikthar Omicron ati hluar pha don ti soin shidan na bikim la to te zinga po alwar chhole thayani atia he thui ni mena thar theder tu te komna soin Dr. Fauci chuan COVID strikthar hi adar chakle a khovel ram sang sanga chak takin adar me kani ati France le Germany chuan zinmi te khwa kherna dan khau tak akal pui mek ti soin Netherlands po in Christmas line ram puma khwa kherna dan khau tak akal pui don ti Dr. Fauci chuan soibok Omicron leng wang hian ramdang te po in khwa khirna an kalpui thar le a Ireland na chuan bar le restaurant te chu kum thar January na somthum thleng zandaria thleng chau in hon phalani a Switzerland na po wena changkhan in khwa khirna dan khau taka ken ko chanani a Paris ko puya po kum thar zana hal mo chang sang hal thin chu kumin chuan hal ani don lawani chanchin ti top na na tlang pui Chief Minister Puzaram Thanga Hovin Mizoram State Healthcare Society Governing Body Meeting voi somni parukna voin khan aizola nayani Sarkar thil phut sang nayan nuar National Health Mission noi thok tu te chuan annor ante topri in than kalphung siam thana tur bil Lok Sabha pasani Omicron dar zela wagin khavel ram sanga khwa khena dan khau taka kalpui chan le me kani chuti zong chu chanchin thar kan puan thei chuani